Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to test one product. This product is called GCW windscreen glass polish. Yes, it's this one. So we're going to test this out and see whether it is really works or not. Let's get started. So this is the first step. Clean your mirror first. Next step, apply the paste onto the sponge, the buffing sponge. Then start to buff in the circular motion. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this one, the polished one, you see it's so clear. This one, not yet polished one, In summary, the product I tested has its advantages as it effectively improves glass smoothness, preventing water buildup. However, it is crucial to apply it only on thoroughly clean surface to avoid potential scratches, while acid-based alternatively may promise quicker results. They pose risk to your vehicle's rubber and paint. In the end, this product can be useful, but use it cautiously to protect your glass and vehicles. And that's all for today. Do remember to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.